Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can play PUBG without the use of VPN on our school Chromebook. So for that, go to your browser and search for now.gg PUBG, and this is where it will lead you to. Just click on the very first link that you will see on the search results and open it up, and this is where it will lead you to. So all you have to do is just download the blue sticks and play it, and you will be able to do it quite easily. And also, since PUBG is banned in my region or my country, that's why it is showing as download blue sticks. Otherwise, you could have just played it on your browser itself. And for that, let me show you how it actually looks like. Let me search for Roblox instead, as it is not blocked for me. And let me open it up. And this is how it will show you for PUBG. All you have to do is just click on play in browser, and you will be able to play PUBG on your browser itself. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.